friends, this is a short video step-by-step guidance on how to use your acne stop kit in the morning. So you always would like to start from cleanser and toner. Remember to shake your toner. After the toner, there is an eye cream in that container. Take just a little bit and tap it underneath your eyes. And then look at your face. If you have active breakouts, you see that they need a little more love, a little more help. You have this Silk Touch Acne Stop treatment. In the morning, we just want to apply topically, only on top of each breakout. Wait at least 2-3 minutes. If you can wait a little longer, great. And after that, you have this serum Aqua Glow Booster. It's plant-driven hyaluronic acid. So just put couple drops directly to your skin, massage it, avoid these places where you already applied our Silk Touch. Do not mix it together. And then after that, you have SPF 50 sunscreen lotion. Put it with your clean hands on top of your skin, and that's your morning routine. Remember to take this sunscreen spray with you when you go and drive and doing your errands, and please reapply sunscreen every 2.5 hours. Remember, if sunscreen is SPF 30, it only will work 1.5 hours. If sunscreen is SPF 50, like our 2 sunscreens, it will work 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, your skin will not have protection from sun radiation and UVB rays. So please make sure that you reapplying your sunscreen, because all these ingredients are very active. And if you forget to reapply your sunscreen and you will go outside and you get even slight sunburn, you will not notice it on your skin, but you will notice it on these places where you did extractions or where you have still breakouts. They will be more bright red. And also, active ingredients can cause pigmentation and sunspots if it's not protected. So please remember it and enjoy your morning routine.